Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on Fix It, Fax It. My name's Fix It, and today we're going to be doing a full system test. And when I say a full system test, I mean everything but the smoke detectors, because I don't have any smokes, right? So let's get on with it. In my room here, we have a B212L and B212L notifier, conventional. System sensor, spectral alert, advanced horn strobe, and then we'll head downstairs where all the alarms are. In the panel. Right here in the hallway, we have, I don't know the model on this thing, it's EST. It's single action. We have a strobe, which isn't working. I don't know what brand or whatever that is. The Pyrotronics MS something in the main area. In here, turn the lights on. In here, we have another one of those Pyrotronic things. And then if we go right here, we have a notifier NBG12LX, which I've converted to an L, so it's conventional now. And for our panel, we have another Potter PFC-40410. And I hate these panels, and now I have two of them. So, I don't know what a word for that is in English. Okay, so now we'll start the test up in my room. Alright, we will pull the notifier BG12L. By the way, this zone doesn't silence, so I'm going to reset it all after. Okay, here we go. Have to reset this because the panel doesn't silence the zone. I don't know why. Go. Oh yes, there is a stopper, which I don't know the model number of. Got here. Go down. Oh, I forgot to say what horoscope we have. Have a L series horoscope up there. You can see our all-the-flash strobe isn't flashing. Another tape. L series horoscope. And we can go here and set the panel. Alright. Next, we will pull our EST. There's a, by the way, there's a smoked I3 there and I3 there. Pull this EST pull station. Here. Wait, what? Okay, we won't be pulling that. We will be pulling this Cybertronics pull station. That is so stiff. It's pulled. The heck? I'm sorry, guys. Well, I know this one works, so we'll pull this one. This one we can silence. Silence the panel. And over here, we'll pull the converted BG12. That zone is already activated. I'm sorry about the system test. But now we can reset everything, so let me grab my hex key. Try not to make this video too long. It opens. The model of this is an MSI 30B. Alright, and there's one more thing that I forgot to show you guys that I have built into the system. By the way, these were addressable. I've converted these to conventional. They're kind of like BG10s. I call them BG10s. I grab my notifier key over here. In the panel, I put a notifier lock on it because the original lock I didn't have a key to. So I had this stupid toolbox lock on there, close. And then now I've got a notifier lock. to put on it. Okay, everything is reset, and I'll do this hex key one later. But for now, we will reset our ESP one. What? There's no model on the inside of this. I'm sorry, guys. I wasn't prepared for this. I'm sorry. I have to flip the switch. I always forget that this isn't a T-bar. It's not a button. It's a switch. Okay. Nice and reset. Now, there's one more thing that I've included to this system that I think you're all gonna like. So, say we don't have keys to the panel. We only have keys to all the pull stations. The alarm is currently sounding, which will silence the trouble. Oh, I never reset the panel. Okay. Say there's an alarm. Because the fire alarm is pulled. And we're sure everybody's out of the building. Is this gonna act? And we don't have keys to the panel. We don't have a number key. But we do have one of these. You can go like this. Key lock and silences the alarm. And the way I did that is there's no silence. I can't get that key to put back in. No silence. It's trip supervisory. Now I take this. Where's my key? I'm gonna reset everything. Right. And now we can reset this test station. And yes, I'm extremely sorry for the 2 pull stations not working. I'll have that fixed by next system test. By the way that these system tests are going to work is each week. Every week there's going to be a new system test. Sometimes the devices might be the same, sometimes they might be much different. But either way, it's going to be a system each week, a system test each week. Now I can reset our panel and reset. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Goodbye now.